This is the death aisle of the grocery store. This is the cemetery. Each one of these was an individual who wanted to live, who didn't want to die. Each animal had joys and preferences. Each one had a family and friends, and we had no right to take away their dignity. Vegans don't believe in stealing from animals, not their bodies, not their lives, not their families, not their friends. It's easy to be vegan. Simply go to another area of the grocery store. Just walk away. This is where you belong. This is food. These are not sentient beings. Cutting a carrot in half is not the same as cutting a cow in half. Eat vegetables. Eat rice and beans and everything except animals. Don't steal their bodies or their milk. This is not vegan. This is made with stolen milk. This did not belong to you. This has eggs in it. This was stolen from an innocent animal. Step away. Go to this area. Bananas are vegan. Kiwis are vegan. Oranges are vegan. Brazil nuts are vegan. Cashews are vegan. Pecans are vegan. Almonds are vegan. Walnuts are vegan. Apricots are vegan. Are apples vegan? Yes. They came from a tree. Are onions vegan? Yes. Onions are plants. It's okay to eat plants. It's not okay to steal the body parts of innocent animals. Brussels sprouts are vegan. They're also a cruciferous vegetable, so they're very good for you. You should be eating at least one cruciferous vegetable every day. Kale is also an excellent item to buy. Kale is also a cruciferous vegetable. These are known to be able to fight against cancer. Radishes are also a cruciferous vegetable. Eat at least one cruciferous vegetable every day. Do not drink cow's milk. Cow's milk belongs to a baby cow, and you're not a baby cow. Stay away from this area. Go and find the soy milk or the oat milk. This aisle is one you want to stay away from. There's a lot of processed foods in here. This chocolate is not vegan. Anything made with milk is not vegan. There are some kinds of chocolate chips that are vegan, but they have to be made without milk. Spices, though, are vegan. They are all plants. These are all vegan spices. If you want to get a mayonnaise, this is one you could get because it is vegan. This one. Look for the word vegan to make sure. That's okay to get. Not this one. Not this one. Also, mustard usually is vegan. Just double check to make sure. Olive oil is vegan, but it's not recommended that you eat too much oil. This is definitely not vegan. Never buy this. Don't buy processed foods that are coming in packages that you don't need. If you're looking for beans, be careful. A lot of these ones seem like they're okay, but you see this one is made with pork, so don't buy that one. Let's see if we can find one. Nope, that one also has pork. How about this? No, also not good. This one says made with tomato sauce. That one might be okay. Just check to make sure. This is vegan, and these are great to have. They're very inexpensive. This is also vegan. You should be eating lentils and beans. Here we have some split green peas. You can make delicious soups with this. Just go online and Google recipes, vegan recipes with split green peas. Very inexpensive and for a lot of protein. Flax seeds are something you should also eat. Just make sure that you grind them up, because otherwise they'll just come straight through your intestines and go out the other end. These are also vegan. Good to have handy in case of emergencies, but it's better to eat fresh fruits and vegetables than it is to eat from a can. But it's still much, much better than it is to eat anything else. These are vegan. These are vegan. These are vegan. This is nutritional yeast. This is something that vegans eat. They put it on different kinds of foods like soups or sauces, and it tastes kind of like a cheesy flavor. So that is something you can also buy. Most people don't know what nutritional yeast is until they become vegan. And another way to say it is noosh. When you're going down these aisles, it's important to check online ahead of time to make sure that you're getting products that are vegan, that don't come from any kind of cruelty, that haven't been tested on animals. And when you're going to get pet food, stay away from this section. Here they kill some animals in order to feed others, and that's not necessary. You can Google vegan dog food and you can order that online, same as vegan cat food. You don't need to pay anyone to kill some tunas or chickens or salmons for your cat. When you're over here, never buy this. This comes from the milk of a baby cow. This belongs to a baby cow. It's not us. It's not up to us. We have no right to steal that from anyone. Neither these. Do not buy these. Do not buy these. Do not buy these. Do not buy this. Do not buy this kind of yogurt. This comes from a mother who is grieving because someone stole her babies and stole her milk. Remember that in the dairy industry, all the mother cows are raped, forced to be pregnant, and their babies are taken from them. This is something you could buy. This is vegan. This is vegan. If you would like some kind of meat, you can get this kind of sausage. This is vegan. Beyond Sausage. Beyond Meat is a brand that is made entirely from plants. And this has 18 grams of protein for each one. You can also get burgers. And there's also ground beef up there. Beyond Beef. Plant-based ground beef. These are things that you can get so that you're not contributing to cycles of cruelty. Over here is also a meatless meatball. I don't see the word vegan on there, so I'm not sure if it's fully vegan. Oh, it says vegan at the bottom. Great. That's something you could try. I haven't tried this brand yet. Thanks a lot for being here. Coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Click on them. Be curious. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. And I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Bye for now.